Potato is remarkably nutrient-dense. High-quality complex carbohydrates provide a steady and sustained energy supply. They are naturally free of fat, sodium, and cholesterol. Abundant minerals. Potatoes contain more potassium than bananas. Sufficient potassium helps maintain electrolyte balance, assists in regulating blood pressure, that has a positive impact on cardiovascular health. Vitamin C. High content. Due to the starch matrix, vitamin C is protected and lost relatively slowly during cooking. B vitamins, particularly vitamin B6, which aids in the metabolism of proteins and carbohydrates. Dietary fiber. Contains moderate amounts of dietary fiber, which promotes gout-free motility and increases satiety. Potato is recognizable carbohydrates. It helps balance body pH. It is also naturally gluten-free, making it an excellent choice for those with gluten sensitivities. Spooning method directly determines how well nutrients are preserved and how many calories are consumed. Tier. Cooking method. Nutritional and health assessment. Tier. Steaming, boiling, oil-free roasting, maximum nutrient preservation. Steaming and boiling best preserve vitamin C and potassium without forming harmful substances. B. Mashed potatoes. Nutritious, but note that the glycemic index is relatively high. Individuals sensitive to blood sugar should avoid excessive consumption. Tier C. Stir-frying, braising, stewing common household methods. Tip. If stir-frying, flash fry over high heat to minimize vitamin C loss. Potatoes tend to absorb fat from the sauce, so control oil and salt intake. Potato frying, severe nutrient loss, and extremely high caloric density. High-temp potato frying produces harmful substances like acrylamide and turns the potato into an oil sponge. Potato increasing risks of obesity and health issues. Preparation. If you want to remove starch, eat. Preserving potato strips. Rinse them with cold water a few times for a crispier texture. Preserving nutrients. To maximize nutritional intake, steam or boil them with the skin on. Steeping first. Additional dietary fiber and antioxidants. Safety first. Strictly avoid consuming sprouted or green-skinned potatoes. These contain high level of solanine. Potato is rich knife collapsation pre-paning and can lead to poisoning. Pain suggestions. Stable replacement. Using potatoes as a partial replacement for white rice can increase fiber intake and satiety. Combinations. Avoid pairing them with excessive fats. It is best to stew or cook them with vegetables and lean proteins. Potatoes are a very affordable and highly effective healthy ingredient. As long as you avoid deep frying, they are an excellent choice for your daily diet.